I am Anbu. Today I am going to teach you how to make a hut using code.org. Yesterday I have uploaded a video called how to make the background of the hut. Today I am going to teach you how to make the hut using code.org. Let's get started. For that, first go to action, bring this block, make it to black backward and 100 pixel. Now go to action, turn right by 90 degrees. And now go to brushes, set color, I'll make it to orange. Again go to brushes, set width to 20 and now go to loops and break this one and inside it go to loops and bring this one and here from 0 to 100 count by 20 no 20 will be 15 and this is 4. Go to action, move forward by 100 pixel, action, turn right by 90 degrees and make it this one to go to variables and I yes and make this is that yes jump backward to 150 pixel 150 120 pixel. Yes, now it's okay. Now go to action, jump forward up inside the loop by 100 and now go to brushes, set color to I will make it brown. Now go to action. No, we go to loops now and get this block and inside it put this block. Let it be I itself here 0 to 100 count by uh, let it be 15 here 3 times. Go to action, move forward and before this loops go to action, turn right by third. I will give roughly 30 and move forward by it will be the go to variables and I and actions turn right at 120 pixel. Yes. Now go to action, jump forward by 250 pixel and go to action before the jump forward you turn right and yes now it's okay. It should come here and go to brushes, set color to yellow, not white, yellow. Now go to again brushes, width to 100, not 100, 65. Go to actions, move forward by 1 pixel. Yes, now our hut making is done.